In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a contact page using Contact Form 7 plugin. So just something that your website users can email to you. Contact Form 7 is trusted by millions, and it's also one of my favorite free WordPress plugins. I'm Spiro Kovac, founder of A Good Mood Promotions. As you can see, this is my very first video, and I'm actually very excited to share all this good content with you guys. This channel is going to be all about entrepreneurship, and I'm going to record myself step by step what I'm doing for my clients. So whether you're starting a business or you need help with the website or marketing, start right now. Subscribe to this channel and click the bell so you don't miss anything. Since everything starts with communications, I'm going to show you how to create a simple contact form for your WordPress website. Let's get started. First we go to Dashboard. And then we go to Pages and Add New. This will be our contact page, so I'll name it Contact Us and just publish it. Now head over to Plugins on the left and click Add New. Search for Contact Form 7. It will appear here on the top left corner, and now just click Install and activate. As you can see, new contact menu appeared here on the left. Just click on it. Click on the contact form that is here by default. Now we are in the form area, and actually here we can edit all the settings and email responses, as well as submission messages and additional settings like for example redirection or conditional redirection on successful submission and stuff like that. I'm actually gonna cover this in more advanced Contact Form 7 videos that are coming in future. For now, let's just copy this contact form here and let's go to Pages and edit our Contact Us page and paste this shortcode update, and let's open a Contact Us page. Type your details here, name, your email, your subject and message, and now click submit, and if everything is alright, you should receive this green thank you message, which means that form was successfully sent. Now we check our email address. And here we are. Form was successfully sent, and as you can see, here is a subject, message body, and it's sent from Spiro. This is a very basic form, as you can see, and let's say you want to know a little bit more about your customers, like their phone number, for example, or maybe how they found about you, or you just want them to accept your terms of service before contacting you. So let's edit this form and let's include those options in it. So go to Contact Forms and edit your contact form. First we add a telephone number. I'll create some space, copy a label area, remove email, and right here your phone. And I'm going to remove required because I'm not going to make that field mandatory. Now just click on a tel, general contact form dash phone, and I'm just going to insert a tag. And also we said we want to know how they found about us, so for that purpose we're going to use a drop down menu field. So again, create some space, copy paste, change it into your question. How did you find about us? And we're gonna put the drop down menu field, and here we're gonna give them a couple of options, and I'm gonna make it required field, and I'm gonna give them few options like Facebook, Google, YouTube, and other. And we just insert this tag. And also let's create an acceptance form. So create some space and click acceptance. I agree to the terms of service. That sounds alright. And I'm gonna insert a tag into that like form, and basically I'm gonna save this. You could also include a file upload field, and I think I'm gonna put it between subject and your message, and copy a label again, file upload, create a form file, let's say it's not required, general contact form file, and accepted file types. I'm going to select 4 of them: JPEG, PNG, zip, and so on. And let's insert a tag and save a form. Now let's go to the mail section. I'm going to write down a phone, and I'm just going to write down. And for GFC file, actually there is a separate file attachment part of a form, because it has to be attached into the email. And I'll just navigate on the messages. So here are the messages, and in additional settings here we can set up redirection. It's actually very useful, and it's a nice way to show that we actually care about our customers. And I'm definitely going to cover this in intermediate and even more in advanced version of Contact Form 7 tutorial. But for now, let's test this contact form and see if everything is going through. So just refresh your contact us page. So Spiro, spiro.cock@gmail.com. Then my phone number. I found about them on Google. Just some random. And here I'm gonna upload a Good Mood Promotions logo, RAR file, and here goes message. Again, as you go here, you can see you can't submit your form unless you agree to the terms of service. And we agree, we send, message was sent successfully. And as expected, it seems to work. As we can see, how to fix my PSD mockup was our subject. Phone number is correct. Source is correct. File name of uploaded file name is correct, and our message. As well, you can see that attachment was successful. Now, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe right now. And don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss new tutorials. This is just a warming up for what's coming next on this channel. I just started this channel, so I'm looking for some ideas. And look guys, if you have any questions, just feel free to ask. Cheers and see you soon.